Hello dear students, in this lecture, this is the third lecture of solid state, and in this lecture I will discuss about packing efficiency of unit cell. Okay, it is very important. All the numericals related to solid state directly or indirectly related to this one. Okay, and we are going to discuss about packing efficiency. Packing efficiency of unit cell. As you know well, unit cell are formed by the combination of spheres, means points. Points are said to be atom, ion or molecules. These spheres used to occupy the space inside the unit cell, because unit cell is the solid component. Then what is the packing efficiency? The percentage occupied volume by the sphere in any unit cell is called packing efficiency. किसी भी यूनिट सेल में the percentage occupied volume by the spheres in any unit cell is called packing efficiency. Okay, and you know what is the formula of the packing efficiency? Packing efficiency inside must be equal to Z into volume of one sphere whole upon volume of unit cell into 100. This is the common formula which is used to decide the packing efficiency of any unit cell. And basically you know well here Z, what do you mean by the Z? Z used to indicate about the number of used sphere, means atoms, for the formation of related unit cell. जिस यूनिट सेल का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है उसमें कितने स्फीयर्स लगे हैं. स्फीयर इंडिकेट किसको करते हैं? Either you can say sphere or points or constitute component, means atom, ion or molecules. Okay, then Z is the number, and you know well for simple cubic unit cell Z is equal to 1, for BCC Z is equal to 2, for FCC Z is equal to 4, and for ECC Z is equal to 2, right? Then first of all we have to discuss for simple cubic unit cell. We have to find out the packing efficiency for simple cubic unit cell. Okay, this is the formula first of all from the shape of simple cubic unit cell. Let us consider. This is the figure of simple cubic unit cell. These are the spheres. Okay, this is the simple cubic unit cell, because here the points are present only at the corner of unit cell. So it is a simple cubic unit cell. Here name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Through this figure, you can guess that these are the sphere. इन्हीं को एटम भी बोल सकते हैं, आयन बोल सकते हैं, मॉलिक्यूल बोल सकते हैं. These are the spheres. Suppose in case of AB, spheres having some distance, but no, since it is a solid object, so both the spheres are directly touching to each other. Let the side length of unit cell is equal to A. And this is the A, just like ABA. Then it must be A, it must be A, it must be A, it must be A. Why? Because in Q, length, breadth, height, each are equal with each others. So this is the side A. Okay, one thing. Let us consider the side length of unit cell is equal to A. And let the radius of sphere, radius of sphere is equal to R. Spheres, when atoms, sphere means atom, since their size is spherical, that's why these are considered to be either point or sphere, and its radius is R. Therefore, according to figure, AB is equal to A. AB, because this is the side of a unit cell, so its dimension measurement AB must be equal to A. But according to packing, A and B both are touching to each other, like this. This is the sphere A, and this one is the sphere B. These are the center of sphere A and B, or connect to both. Connect the center of sphere A and sphere B. Hence, by the same way, A and D, D and C, C and G, B and E, all these are touching to each other. That's why it is a solid. Okay? AB. And this is the radius of sphere A, this is the radius of sphere B. And this whole is the side AB. Then according to packing, AB must be equal to 2R. Equation first and equation second. This is according to side length A. Let us consider. And according to packing concept, sphere A and B both are packed like this. If we connect the center of both the sphere, means A is the center of sphere A, this is the center of sphere B. If we connect to both, then AB is equal to R means 2R. From equation first and second, from equation first and second, okay, you can guess here A is equal to 2R. It is very important. This is the relation between the side length and radius of sphere for simple cubic unit cell. Now apply the formula. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to Z into volume of one sphere, the whole upon volume of unit cell into 100. And one thing remember forever, for simple cubic unit cell, value of Z equal to 1. About this I have already proved in my previous lecture. Okay, then apply here Z 1. And what is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is the radius, whole upon. What is the volume of unit cell? Unit cell is the cubical shape, and the volume of the cube is side cube into 100. Apply more. 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, the whole upon. What is the value of A? A is equal to 2R, ultimately 2R cube into 100. And when you will solve to this one, the result is 52.4%. This is the packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cell. You should remember forever, its absolute value is 52.4%. I am applying here. When we will solve to this one, 8 pi 8 r cube cancel by this, okay, and here the value of pi 22 upon 7. Here the value of pi will be 22 upon 7, and applying as this value, result must be 52.4%. This is the packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cell, right? And now I will discuss about the packing efficiency of FCC. FCC means face centered cubic unit cell. FCC, face centered cubic unit cell, for FCC. Detail you know well. FCC means face centered cubic unit cell. According to diagram. And you know what is the FCC? That unit cell in which the points are present not only at corner but also at the center of each face of this unit cell. So this is, see here, and this is the center of this face, like each and every center, this and this. This is considered to be FCC. Let its name are given right here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And this the point which is present at the center of this face. Let us consider the face A, B, C, D. इसको लेते हैं and connect to this like this. Okay, from D to B, touching to this one. Correct? And same way, let the side length is equal to A, and let the radius of sphere is equal to R. Okay, clear? Ultimately, first of all, according to AB, its length is A, AD length A, and what is the length of BD? This. See here how these three spheres are arranged. One sphere which is present at the point D, other sphere is present at the point B, and this is the face center sphere. This sphere is present at the center of this face. Therefore, how the arrangement of this one take place? In this dimension, see here, in triangle ABD, this is the triangle here. In this triangle, AB is equal to A, AD is equal to A, and what is the dimension of BD? The arrangement of BD, you know, three spheres like this, this. These are the three spheres. These are the center of sphere. This is the sphere whose center is present at the center D. This is the B, and this one, this sphere is present here. This is present here. This one is present here, and this present here. Connect the center of each sphere. R, 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 R. According to this packing concept, what is the dimension of? What is the dimension of BD? BD is here R plus 2R, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4R. According to packing concept, the dimension of BD is equal to 4 or these are the sphere. Simply during the sketching of a figure, these looks like so small, but actually these are the solid component. I am touching to each other, that's why it becomes solid. Okay? Now see here. Now applying PGT. What do you mean by PGT? PGT is Pythagoras theorem. Now applying PGT means Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. What is the Pythagoras theorem? BD, this is the diagonal, base, perpendicular. Each and every angle is the 90 degree. This is the 90 degree angle. Okay? Because this is cube. So BD square is equal to AD square plus AB square. Apply the value. BD square is equal to here AD. What is the value of AD here? A. Because this is the side of unit cell. A square. What is the value of AB here? A. Therefore A square. Okay? Means BD square is equal to twice A square. Therefore BD is equal to under root twice A square becomes equal to root 2 into A, because the square root of A square is A and root 2 is written as it is. Okay? And since according to this relation BD is equal to 4R, which is implies, place the value of BD here, 4R is equal to root 2 into A. This is the relation between A and R, particularly in FCC. This is the relation between A and R in FCC. Okay? Therefore, A is equal to 4R upon root 2. Simplify to this one, applying component to dependent to, right? Which is implies A is equal to, apply root 2 in both the side. Okay, then it becomes 2. What is the value come here? 2 root 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 root 2 R. This is the value of R here. 2 root 2 into R. This is the value because 4R is equal to root 2 into A. Therefore A is equal to 4R upon root 2. Simplify to this one by multiplying root 2 both the side. Root 2 becomes 2. 2 2s are 4 and root 2 becomes as it is. This is the value of A. Now apply the formula. Packing efficiency is equal to Z into volume of one sphere whole upon volume of unit cell into 100. Z into volume of one sphere. So whole upon volume of unit cell into 100, which is implying packing efficiency equal to, what is the value of Z? For FCC, especially for FCC, value of Z is equal to 4. This we have to explain in my previous lecture. Okay? So apply the value. 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube whole upon A cube into 100. Apply more. Place the value here. 4 by 3. Pi means 22 upon 7 into r cube. The whole upon. What is the value of here? A. 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into r the whole cube into 100. And when you will solve to this one, then its packing efficiency must be 74%. On solving to this, applying all the values, when you will solve to this one, the result must be P packing efficiency must be equal to 74%. This is the packing efficiency of FCC, means face centered cubic unit cell. Clear? This is going to clear now. Very, very important. And now last one. Now we have to discuss about the packing efficiency of BCC. Now last one, I will discuss about the packing efficiency of BCC, which is most important. Okay? Packing efficiency. Third one for BCC. And BCC, you know, BCC means body centered cubic unit cell. Body centered cubic unit cell, right? First of all, we have to form its structure. See, forming the structure of BCC, very effective part of packing efficiency. Is most effective part of packing efficiency. It is big challenge and most important to find out the relation between A and R, means side length and radius of sphere. As per definition, each corner has one sphere as well as one sphere is present at its body center. This is the sphere which is present at the center of the body of this unit cell. That's why it is known as BCC. Now, be concentrated here. Attached to this one, this is means its name is given already. A, B, okay, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay? The name of given each and every side. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. E, F, and this is the G. G. Okay? And the logic, what is the main logic? Attached to this here. This. Okay? And now we have to discuss about this triangle. This. It is also right angle triangle. Okay? It is 3D structure. That's why I seem that this is the 30 degree or 60 degree angle. But exactly, actually this is 90 degree angle. Okay? Let the side length is equal to A. Let the radius of sphere is equal to R. Okay? See, this is the structure of BCC. A, then it must be A. This is A. This is A. Because these are the side of cubical unit cell. Okay? Basically, in triangle, now in triangle GDE. 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 This is the right angle triangle, okay? And in this triangle, in triangle GDE, okay? What is the value of DE? Here DE must be equal to A. Why? Because it is the side of unit cell. And what will be the value of GD? For GD, see here. 3 spheres. One sphere here, one sphere here, one sphere here. Like this. 3 spheres which are directly touching to each other. Right? These are 3 spheres. This one is the G. And this is the D. Okay? Connect to their centers. Radius R. According to this packing, you can guess. Therefore, GD is equal to 4R. Now, what is the value of GE? To decide the value of GE, we have to select triangle. Now, in triangle, this one is triangle GEF. This is the triangle GEF, and it is a 90-degree angle triangle. This is the 90-degree angle, okay? 90-degree angle triangle. This is the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse, right? Therefore, to decide the value of GE, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Now in triangle GEF, and applying PGT. PGT means Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, GE, ये डायगोनल देखिए ध्यान से, GE स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, ये जो इसका डायगोनल है इसका हाइपोटेनस है, GE स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू GF स्क्वायर प्लस FE स्क्वायर. This GF square, this one line, this GF square plus FE square, and this one is the ये आपका hypotenuse perpendicular base. Apply the value GF. What is the value of GF? Side. This is the side, so A square. What is the value of FE? FE is also the side, so plus A square becomes twice A square. GE square is equal to twice A square. Okay? Everybody coming to? Therefore, GE is equal to under root 2A square, which becomes equal root 2 into A. A बाहर हो जाएगा root के. Okay? This is the value of GE. This is the value of GE. Everybody come to here. We have to find out the value of G, which is implies G is equal to root 2 into A. Okay? Now again come on triangle GDE. Now about the triangle GDE. Now in triangle GDE. Now in triangle GD, this is the D. GDE, on applying PGT. PGT means Pythagoras theorem. So this is the hypotenuse base perpendicular. Means GD square is equal to DE square plus DE. This is the DE square plus GE square. DE square plus GE square. Apply the value here. What is the value of DE? What is the value of DE? Means it is the side A square. And what is the value of GE square? GE square means 2A square. Okay? That becomes equal to thrice A square. This is the value of GD square. GD square is here, thrice A square. Ultimately, therefore GD is equal to root thrice A square becomes root 3 into A. This is the value of GD here. This is the value of, which is implies GD is equal to root 3 into A. This is the length of GD. But as you know well, according to packing concept, since GD is equal to 4R, apply this value in this equation, which is implies 4R is equal to root 3 into A. This is the relation between A and R in BCC. This is the relation between A and R in BCC, which is implies, now the value of A must be equal to 4R upon root 3. This is the value of the side length of in FCC in terms of R. Now apply the formula. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to 4 into volume of one sphere का whole upon volume of unit cell into 100, right? Apply the value 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube whole upon side का cube. What is the value of side? A cube. Side cube means A cube. Side cube must becomes A cube. A cube into 100, which is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi means 22 upon 7 into R cube का whole upon value of A 4R upon root 3 cube into 100. And when you will solve this properly, its value becomes equal to packing efficiency 68%. Its value must be 68%. Therefore, for BCC, its packing efficiency is 68%. In a simple cubic unit cell, 52.4. For FCC, 74%. And especially for BCC, its packing efficiency is 68%. Right? This is the relation. So two things are most necessary here: value of exact packing efficiency and what is the relation between A and R in simple cubic unit cell, in BCC as well as FCC. In simple cubic unit cell, the relation between A and R is A is equal to 2R. This is simple cubic unit cell. In case of BCC, the relation between A and R is 4R is equal to root 3 into A. BCC is equal to 4R is equal to root 3 into A. And in case of FCC, relation between A and R is 4R is equal to root 2 into A. Okay? I hope each and everyone, this is very important topic, come to know proper history, right? कहीं कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. हौसले बुलंद हो, इरादे नेक हो, दिल में लगन हो, केवल बोर्ड ही नहीं कंपटीशन क्वालिफाई करने में बिल्कुल दिक्कत नहीं होगी। यदि बिल्कुल आपके समझ में आ गया हो तो नो डाउट आपको सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव मटेरियल जेईई मेंस एडवांस मेडिकल का मिलता रहे, अपने आप तक पहुंचता रहे। अल्टीमेटली हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल केमिस्ट्री बाय डॉक्टर परिहार को आप लोगों से निवेदन है, हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसको जरूर लाइक करें, मेरा चैनल केमिस्ट्री बाय डॉक्टर परिहार। और पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करने के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.drparihargci.com। थैंक यू।